Welcome back to MotoVerge, the place where passion meets machines, and where every ride is more than just two wheels and an engine. Today, we're diving into a story, not just about speed, not just about power, but about a motorcycle that may just change the way you look at the road forever. If you miss this video, you might miss out on valuable information that could redefine what you expect from the next generation of superbikes. So stay with me until the very end, because what you're about to hear isn't just news, it's the future unfolding. The year is 2026, and CF Moto has stepped into a battlefield dominated by giants. For years, riders have turned to Japanese precision, Italian artistry, and German engineering. But now, from the heart of China, emerges a challenger, the CF Moto 675SR-R 2026. A name that feels new, but a name that is already stirring emotions across the motorcycling world. You might be asking yourself, what makes this bike different? Why should you even consider it when so many legendary machines already exist? Well, let me hold you there for a moment, because the 675SR-R isn't just another addition to the lineup, it's an answer to a question riders didn't even know they were asking. And if you skip this, you may never know what that answer is. Close your eyes for a second and imagine this. You're gripping the handlebars, your heart is pounding, the tachometer climbs higher, the engine roars beneath you with a note so sharp it feels like it could cut through silence itself. The bike responds to every flick of your wrist, every lean of your body. It feels alive. That's the promise CF Moto is making with the 675SR-R. Rumors began surfacing months ago about this machine. Whispers about a middleweight superbike, sleek and aggressive, something designed not only for the track but also for the streets. And now it's here, a 675cc triple-cylinder engine at the core, pushing boundaries with an estimated output that could challenge the likes of Yamaha's R7, Kawasaki's ZX6R, and even Triumph's Daytona. Imagine that for a moment, CF Moto daring to place itself shoulder to shoulder with legends. But the real magic is not just in the engine. No, the suspense lies in the details. The chassis, lightweight yet rigid. The suspension, precision-tuned, offering agility in the tightest corners and stability at insane speeds. The electronics, rider modes, traction control, quick shifter, cornering abs, all designed to give you the kind of confidence that transforms fear into pure exhilaration. Every detail whispers one thing: CF Moto is not here to play safe. They are here to play bold. And then, there's the design. The 675SR-R doesn't just look fast, it looks dangerous, like a predator waiting to pounce. Razor-sharp lines slice through the air, LED headlights pierce the darkness with a menacing glow, and the riding posture, aggressive, yet comfortable enough to hold you through hours of adrenaline-fueled riding. If motorcycles could speak, this one would say, "I dare you." Yet, here's where the emotions rise even higher. This isn't just about machines, it's about dreams. For years, riders from around the world have questioned if CF Moto could deliver something truly worthy of the big stage. And now, the 675SR-R carries that hope, that anticipation, that hunger. It's not just about speed, it's about proving that passion has no borders. Still, a question lingers in the air. Will it live up to the promise? Will it be a machine remembered for years to come, or will it fade into the shadows of its competitors? That suspense is what keeps us leaning forward, eyes wide, waiting for the first real ride tests, the first track battles, the first reviews that could either crown it or crush it. And if you click away now, you'll lose the chance to know how this story unfolds. Imagine being one of the first to experience it, to hear the growl of that triple, to feel the way it grips the asphalt, to witness the faces of those who doubted, and to know you were part of the moment when everything changed. That's what the CF Moto 675SR-R 2026 offers. Not just a ride, but a chapter in history waiting to be written. So, the road ahead is filled with questions, with mystery, with adrenaline waiting to ignite. And as always, MotoVerge will be here to uncover every twist, every revelation, every heartbeat of this incredible machine. If you miss the video, you do not get valuable information, and trust me, you don't want to be left behind. This is MotoVerge. This is the story of the CF Moto 675SR-R 2026. And this is just the beginning.